run over how to get the class materials into the Jupyter Hub environment that we're using for this class. So once you've authenticated with GitHub and clicked on the start your server, you should see a screen like this. Although you should not have any files here. We've created things in class, and I've got other materials. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to click on this new button, and we're going to open a new terminal. The terminal is going to this creates a bash emulator in our web browser, and what we need to do is we're using Git, a version control software for managing the course materials, and this is actually what we're going to learn about in session two. So there's a little bit of a bootstrapping here that we have to use something that we don't really know what we're doing yet. So the task at hand that we have is we need to clone a repository that we have on a server that was built by the technical staff at Eccles. And so the command is git clone, and then you provide the address of the repository. And I apologize that my screen, there we go, that's a better view of it. So the repository is this bmdc bootcamp.git. So I do git clone means make a copy of it, and this is the location. And after I've done this, there will be a new directory in this directory called bmds bootcamp, which I can see with an ls function. The ls, you can see it right down here, the bootcamp. And now if I come back here to my home directory, you see I have the bootcamp, and I have modules. And so what we have is getting started. This is materials from class today. Computing environments. This is material to review tonight for tomorrow, and stuff we'll be doing tomorrow. And then 3, introducing data science, is what we'll be doing Wednesday night and Thursday morning. So for review for class session number 2, click here on computing environments and click on this roadmap. The roadmap is an example of an IPython notebook. This is the format that the materials are going to be distributed in. And so we have our explanation of what we plan on you learning. And here we have this link, class preparation. These are the materials that we want you to go over in class. And so there's a variety. There are links here. Here's some links to some YouTube videos about big data in medicine. All these are, some of these, in this case, we have some explanatory materials, and we have links to YouTube videos. The YouTube videos are displayed using Python. So the first thing we need to do is we need to run these code cells that have Python functions. In this case, we're importing into our Python environment the functions that we use to display the videos. And this next cell is another Python code cell that has the information about which video we're going to watch and how long we're going to watch it for. And we can bring that up by evaluating the cell with the play button. And then we can watch this notebook.
A good programming environment helps a lot.
And that's the format that all the material that we're going to have you review and watch. We're not having you watch all 27 minutes. We've highlighted a section of it for you to watch. The notebook, of which we reviewed in class today, consists of markdown cells. And this is what we use for the text that we're going to display. You see, this is an example of a markup language. In this case, it's Markdown, where we use double asterisks to indicate bolds. This is how we indicate hyperlinks, etc. So as we come back over here to our materials, these are each individual notebooks to work through. In this case, it's just videos to watch, and here's a video to watch in this parent notebook.